Very good morning. This is Ruhani on the behalf of Matridtech Technologies, welcoming you all to a learning session of nopCommerce of how to add or manage the simple products using the advanced settings. In our previous video, we have covered the most used fields for adding the simple products by using the basic settings. So today we are going to add our products using the advanced settings. So let's log into the admin panel here. And from the left hand side, we are going to take from here, we are going to the link of catalog and fetch the sublink of products. We will start adding a product by clicking on this add new button. Click on this. Here on the top above, we can see this toggle which switches between the basic and the advanced settings. This time we are going to select this as advanced. Great. So starting firstly with the product type, we are going to simply have two options, simple and grouped, but today in our video we are going to cover this product type as a simple. Next we have the visible individually, as you can see, right? So this option if checked, it will allow us to display our products in the search results and the catalog page. It will be displayed only on the product page under the group product when it is checked out. Now, if checked out, it would not show individually in the search result or the catalog. Okay, great. Now we are checking it for our instance. Next, we have the product name. So I'm gonna quickly cover each and every field till SKU because it has already been covered under the basic settings in our earlier video. Okay, just quickly, we are going to put each and every detail. So for instance, we are taking the product name as Media Ashline Skating Boots. For the short description to be displayed on catalog, I'm gonna have the one I have pasted on my notepad. This one. And there's one more to go. This one is the full description. These all options have been discussed in detail in our earlier video. So in case you have any queries, you can let me know. Here is SKU, which we are taking the ADE 123. Next, we are going to have the tab of published. Now, this checkbox needs to be checked in for displaying our products in the store. Until ticked, it would not be shown on the front end of the website. We are checking it. This published in, we are checking this in for our instance. Okay. Now let's go back, let's go next to this product tags. Now these tags, these are the kind of the keywords with which the products can be searched well by the customers while shopping. The more the product tags are associated, greater will be the chances of the product land in the search results. So product tags I'm going to enter for my instance will be let me enter apparel. It's got me for apparel, and I can go for shoes. Where is it? And of course, games. It's an eye-catching shoe. Okay. Next, we are going to have GTIN. This is Global Trade Item Number. Now, this is the product identifier mechanism like UPC, what you call Universal Product Codes, EAN, European Article Number, and JAN, Japanese Article Number. They all streamline the various operations between the various parts of the supply chain. So every SKU, it has its unique GTIN. Even Google considered the brands with the GTINs for their Google shopping campaigns. So you're advised to use this opinion for your store products along with the SKU with the help of a GTIN generator. For present instance, I'm going to enter it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, we are going to have as a manufacturer part number. Now, this is a unique part number for the product which is provided by the brand or the manufacturer, which we are using for our instance is EDEA MDM01. Next, we are going to have show on homepage. Now this option, if your requirement is yes, then kindly check it, else you can keep it unchecked, which we have kept for our instance. This will show your product on the home page. Now, remember, it may not work if you have a custom skin designed for your nopCommerce store. Okay. Now, the next option we are having is of customer reviews. It is kept checked in for our instance. You need to keep this checked if in case you wish to welcome the customer reviews for your products, and it can be checked out if you don't wish to. Okay. Next, we are going to have is available start date and available end date. Okay. Now, this will display the product availability. So, for instance, we're going to take it like for 21 till 26 of next. Great. Next option we're coming to is mark the product as new. Mark as new. Yeah, it is marking your product as new. That need to be checked in case the product you are adding to be displayed under the section of new products or is a separate page of new products, or you want it to be get assigned a corner image or a tag of new. Okay. Next we have admin content. Now this is for keeping the information for internal purposes, which we are typing for our reference as in product is available for skating purposes, as it is the I skating boot. So here it is. Okay. Now next we have the options of gift card, the downloadable product. Let me pronounce it well for you. Downloadable product, recurring product, and is rental product. Now they will be getting discussed in another video of ours, or in a detailed discussion we are going to have it, and that topic will be started with various product types available in nopCommerce. Okay, for the present video I'm going to have our focus on the next section, that is prices. Right here we are going to have our first thing, price, that can be defined with your desired currency. The currency you're having here is USD. In case you have a different currency, you can get it altered from here. Let me show you. Let me scroll it. Here you have configuration, and here you see the currencies. From here you can change the currency to which you want to go ahead and let the customer shop your product. Okay. Let's just scroll. Now, for our instance, we are going to have 749.00 USD. Yeah, that's it. Next, we are going to have old price. Let me highlight for you exactly this old price. Now, once this price is defined, it will be shown on the public store and it can be used in comparison to the new price. We are going to use it as a 29.00 USD. Great. Next, we are going to have is product cost. Okay. Now, this cost is the sum of all the prices which is linked with the production of the products and services. Though this cost is not displayed to the customer, but still we can define it for our internal purposes, which can be helpful for evaluating the profit margins. So we're going to enter it like 625.00 USD. Okay. Moving ahead, let me scroll down a bit. We are going to have this disable buy button. Now, this will allow you to disable the purchasing of the products which are not available in the stock, or for some products that need to be ordered on request. We're keeping it unchecked for our instance. Next, we have the disable the wish list button. Now, wish list is a place where customers can save their desired products for later purchases. You can disable this wish list button by checking in this box. Okay, we're keeping it unchecked for our instance. Scrolling down, we have available for pre-order. Now, by checking this button, right, you can allow your customers to pre-order the product which is not available at the moment in the stock. Now, in the place of a standard add to cart button, the pre-ordered button will be displayed. When this option is checked in, you can see we have the sub option displayed here as pre-order availability start date. Now this is where the date is entered, and when this date is reached, then the pre-order button will get auto changed to add to cart button. We are keeping it disabled for our instance. Next we are having call for price. Now this button will display the call for price or call for quote in the place of the product price. This would be helpful for some custom products which are made on order, and it would be help to connect with your customers and discuss in detail about the product information that customers might need. Okay. Then we have customer enter price. Now, enabling this option, it will allow your customers, let me enable it for you, like this. So it will allow your customers to enter the product price. Two more fields, here you can see. They also come again with like minimum and maximum amount, which you have to, provide a facility with which you can define a price range within which the customer can enter the product price. You have to define your minimum and maximum amount here. Okay. Anyhow, we are keeping it disabled for our instance as well. Next, we are having is this BNAGV base enable, base price enabled. Now, this option is meant for the products for showing their base price according to a German law, right? For instance, let me explain. Like, you are selling 500 milliliter milk for 1.5 USD. Then you have to display the base price of 3.00 USD per liter. Okay, so it will show more fields after enabling. Here you can see. Alright, it is showing. Let me highlight for you the fields which have appearing. Yes, these fields. Okay, so it will be showing more fields after enabling this option for asking the amount in product, unit of product, reference amount, and reference unit. Anyhow, we're keeping it disabled for our instance. Next, we have discounts. This will be, your available discounts will be displayed here, and the discounts, they can be created from here. Let me scroll up for you for a clear vision. Okay. Now, you can create your discount from the discount menu, which, give me a moment, which comes under promotions. Here, you can see. You can create your discounts for your simple product from here. We are not having any discount for our instance at the moment. Next, we have tax exempt. Now, if the product is exempted from the tax, then this checkbox can be ticked in. Else, when it is disabled, this will show the next option of tax category. Tax category. Now, this is here the required tax classification. It can be selected from this drop down. Great. So this is, it comes with the default nopCommerce installation. However, you can create a new tax category for your product. That can be created from here. Let me show you that. You have to go under the menu of configuration. Fetch the link of where it is. Your tax. Here it is. Click on this, and then you have to fetch the sublink of tax category. From here, you can create your new tax categories. Great. Anyhow, for our instance, we are having a tax category as apparel. Great. Next, we have telecommunication, broadcasting, and electronic services. These are special tax rules which are given by European Union. We are keeping it disabled for our instance. Now, once we save our product, we can set up the tire prices, which is basically, the pricing of a product which is based on the quantity bought. Okay, let me show you once we save it. Let me show you how it looks. Oh, shall I go save and continue method? Okay, our product is Idea. Here it is. And scrolling down, we can see the try prices now. Here, you can see. So you can add a tire price like this. Okay. So these are basically the pricing of a product which is based on the quantity bought. As an e-commerce owner, you can set up the discounted prices for the customers who buy the bigger quantities, right? Now, for other advanced settings, please keep tuned to my next video on how to set up the advanced settings of Simple Product Part 2. Still, if any queries are left, you're welcome to reach us for your nopCommerce support on nop@Matridtech.net, or you can contact us at 855-370-5570. So let's wrap up this video. I hope this session was helpful. This video was presented by Matridtech Technology.